Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to relax your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Everyone on this planet is completely unique. We each have a special combination of awesome qualities. In this meditation, we will explore our unique, awesome qualities and the things that we like about ourselves. Sometimes it's easy to find things that we like about ourselves, and sometimes it's hard. But even if it's difficult, during this meditation, try to always acknowledge at least one thing you like about you. A skill is something that you can do well. What is one skill or talent you possess that you are proud of? Maybe you're creative or athletic, a good builder, a good listener, or a good leader. In your mind, picture the skill or talent that you have that you really like about yourself. Your personality are your qualities that you have on the inside that make you different than anyone else. What is one or even more parts of your personality that you really like about yourself? Maybe you're funny, friendly, smart, curious, or brave. What is a part of your personality that you really like about yourself? What is one thing about your body that you like? Maybe it's your hair, your strength, your eyes, your smile, or anything else. What is one part of your body that you like? What is one random thing about you that you are proud of? It can be something you've achieved, something about your talents, or something about your life in general. Think of one thing in your life that you are really proud of. Now think of one thing that you like about your family. It can be something that you do together. It can maybe be a specific person. Think of one thing about your family that you really like. Now think of your friends. What is one thing you really like about your friends? What is one thing you know a lot about that you are really proud of knowing? Maybe you know a lot about horses, or dragons, or sports. Maybe math, science, or a TV show. What is one thing that you know a lot about that you're really proud of? As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that is comfortable for you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.